Located in the centre of York, in the cellar of a pub, lies one of the few Roman remains still visible in the city, the Roman bathhouse. Join us now as we take a look around. The bathhouse was built by the 9th Legion sometime between 71 AD and 122 AD. The complex would have covered an area of around 200 square metres, although only the Caldarium, the hot room, a small section of the Frigarium, the cold room, and a single plunge pool have since been discovered. It was in 1929 when excavations of the bathhouse first took place, when the ruins were accidentally stumbled upon during renovations to the pub above. Then, in 1972, excavations on the other side of Swinegate revealed additional stone buildings of Roman date, some standing nearly 3 metres high. It is thought that these structures mark the other end of the baths. Excavations revealed that in the late 4th century AD, the cold room's plunge pool was filled in with limestone blocks, indicating that the bathhouse had fallen out of use by that time. By the 5th century AD and the Roman withdrawal of Britain, the remaining sections of the bathhouse would almost certainly have been in ruins. This bathhouse is one of 2 which would have served Roman York. The other is located in the council buildings towards the southwest of the city, which, in Roman times, would have sat outside the city walls. The second bathhouse is therefore likely to have served the civilian population of Eboracum, the Roman name for York, whereas this bathhouse served the military. The Roman bath is home to a handful of artefacts and replicas, each giving you an insight into the Roman world. My favourite artefacts being the tiles with the indents of military boots made almost 2,000 years ago by Roman legionaries. Today, the Roman baths are open to the public, and it is easy to spend half an hour exploring the ruins. There is a small entrance fee, and money raised goes to help maintain the museum. Though only small, the ruins are a must visit when in York, and being below a pub named after it, the Roman bath is truly unique.